Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to materials that I get in this box down there below in the description bar. And here I have a Czech Beats exclusive monthly subscription, and after I get done filming this one, I will open this one and do a second video on that. So if you guys did not see last month's subscription for this box, wow, knocked my socks off. The beads were gorgeous, the design was really awesome. I will put a picture up now. So let's go ahead and see what we have in this box. And again, this is jewelry grade wax cotton cord. You can make jewelry with this. Do not throw it away, reuse it. And right here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put the pieces together in this box. And usually it's a necklace and a bracelet, but sometimes it's a necklace, bracelet, earrings. It depends. It seems like every Christmas and New Year's they do a necklace, bracelet, and earrings. But sometimes they'll put earrings in somewhere along the year. Alright, so little sneaking in this box. What do we have here? Oh my gosh, I've never seen those so big. These are jumbo English cuts. So let's check this out. Wow, these are so big. So this bead, I've seen it mostly in like 3.5 or 4 millimeter, and I've got it a couple times, I want to say in 6, but I've never ever seen it this big, and wow, is it awesome. That is so gorgeous. It kind of looks like it's a slipperet. It's a clear crystal, and I put a finish over it. Looks like slipperet, or this could be moray. There's another one. What's it called? This one's peachy though, so it's making me think it's slipperet. Slipperet is gorgeous. I have round duo beads in slipperet in my stash, so those are really cool. Okay, and then we have chain, and it just looks like a 3 or 4 millimeter cable chain. This is one of my favorite chains. I use it all the time because there's so many uses for that chain. And then we have, I don't think these are pearls. I think this is, I don't know what this is. This is not aluminum. This is not Labrador. It's matte. If you put it up to the light, you can actually see through it a little bit. Kinda looks like a mercury glass, but it's heavily coated, so it's not a white bead underneath, it's clear. So I actually don't know what this coating is, but it is very pretty. It kind of looks like Labrador, but it's matte. And if you look closely, see the little specks? You can kind of see the light going through it. So, do you see that? Like mercury glass? You can see the hole in this one. At least I can. Right there. The hole, you can see it going to the center. So, I like those. And these are big. I think these are 10 millimeter. These are pretty large too, and this might be like 10 by 12 or something. That size. I'll find out, well, when I go to, you know, put it in the website, get the link for it, and post it down there. You'll find out when you click on it what the size is. This is 3 millimeter Czech fire polish beads. This is Labrador full. So see, it's a shiny silver, and it's not. It's matte. Okay. No way, we got more. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm trying not to open all the bags, but I gotta open the bags with the new fancy things that I've never seen before. I've been trying to cut back on opening the bags because I literally have always opened up every single bag, and it makes the videos longer, and you know, it's all about short videos these days, so it takes longer for me to edit and stuff. This is really unique. It's like copper, but then it's like burnt orange. It's really pretty. Almost looks like it's amber. I do think I like this one more though. That color more. Those are so cool. And oh my gosh, I think we have green here. Yes, wow, what is this gonna be? I wonder what this color is. I'll see when I go to the website. I don't think I've ever seen this one. Oh my gosh. I've never seen this coating. It's green, but it's like an aqua teal color. And it looks like it has iris. What's it called? Not AB finish. It looks like iris. Plating, but only on one side. Usually that's all over the bead. So those are very cool. Man, this is exciting. I wonder what the design's going to be. And then we have, oh wow, these are metal? Yeah, these are metal spacer beads. Thin, flat discs. They kind of look like washers, but they have a smaller hole than a washer would. So those are cool. And then crimp covers. There's 4 in there. So probably necklace and bracelet unless it's multi-layer. And these are 10mm. This color is called rainbow or iris. It's either rainbow iris or iris brown. Czech Druks. Or rainbow brown Czech Druks, something like that. The color, it's different shades of metallic, so it's like a coppery, bronze, golden. See, it's really pretty. I've got this color a lot over the years, especially in Czech fire polish beads. And then we have 4mm jump rings, and then we have lobster claw clasps. Those are nice, chunky looking. And then we have extender chain. That's the open curve chain. That's what it's mostly used. These are discs. There's only 3 though. This is blue iris. Yeah, blue iris. I think it's a 10mm Czech disc. I've used these before to make flowers. They're really awesome. Is that in frame? Yep. Okay, and then we have, wow. I don't know what this is. This looks like this. I'd have to see if the numbers are the same. 29074. They're not the same, but they're one off. Off by 1 number, so I wonder if this is like gray, because this here looks like the metallic one to me. But I like both of those. They are pretty. Okay, and then we have very thick gauge jump rings, maybe 18mm. It's like a 6 or 7mm jump, and crimp tubes. Oh my gosh, I love these. So this is a Czech disc again. I think it's a 10mm. It looks like it's the same size. I think it's also the same color, but it's acid washed. The texture is crazy awesome. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at that texture. It almost looks like it's a lava bead, the texture on that. And with that metallic looking blue, that is so cool. This is very exciting. All these beads are so unusual. I wonder what we're gonna make. Really cool. Okay, we still have some bags left. Oh my gosh, what is this color? Wow. Look at this. It's so bright and flashy. I wonder if this is just rainbow iris. That kind of looks like blue iris to me, or green, but it's acid washed. And this is so bright. Very pretty. My gosh. I like this a lot. So cool. And then we have bead stringing wire. Alright, so here's everything we are getting in this month's BohemStyle box. Some very unique, gorgeous beads, stuff I've never seen before. I've seen these beads, but only in very tiny sizes. I've never seen them that big, and very unique new looking colors, and those are awesome too, so I can't wait to see what it's going to look like. And remember, I will have a picture at the beginning of the video and at the end of what the finished projects look like, right? So this is it. I will leave a link for the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there below, along with individual links to the things you see here in case you just want a couple of things from the box but not everything in the box. Okay? Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.